Hello YouTubers, my name is Ernst George, known as EG. Welcome to Mindbooster Motivation. We are so far the best YouTube channel in the world that offer free life coaching training session streaming live every day on this platform. Anytime you get a chance to stop by, you will always find me talking about money or to be successful. I have a wonderful live coaching streaming free training session for you today. But first and foremost, if you're not a subscriber, it's time for you to subscribe now because you don't know what you're missing. We have a lot of good video, that can teach you many things. First and foremost, how to become successful and how to make money, because to be successful you have to learn how to make money, because money is the most important ingredient that you can use in your life to cook your recipe for success. We have a lot of good video on this channel, our video on demand, because people like you who watch our previous video drop some commentaries and inquiries. They ask us questions about how to be successful or to make money, and we address this question in new video like this one that I'm producing right now live on this platform, and we answer different type of questions for you, and you will be able to leverage them to make money on them. Today I'm talking about a way that you can use to make money. We receive a lot of questions. People are talking, you teach us many things, but you didn't give us some direct way to make money. That's mean give them a business model. So I didn't want to do that. As my team and we've been talking, we've been analyzing or we can process that, because we don't want to be your financial advisor. We want to give you the information, the knowledge, the insights that you need to know to become successful, but we expect you to do your own diligence, that you can actually find your way. So we've been talking about that for a while. We ends up taking a decision. In my booster motivation, we are about to produce a series of video that is that are dedicated to teach people exactly a straight way to make money. So today is the first one. We entitled this video how to make money by owning ATM machine. Get your own ATM machine and making money on a daily basis. If you are watching now, it's time for you to take a paper to take notes. Many times you're walking, not only in the United States of America, but in many places in the world, you might see ATM machine, which is a kind of electronic banking. ATM machine is a machine in which, some people, the owner of the machine, put cash inside the machine that is directly connected to the bank, or to, when I say the bank, to the system that connect the bank with the card owner. I'm talking about Visa, MasterCard, most likely, American Express, Discover. So the machine is connected to internet, and the internet connect to a card processor. And when an individual need cash to the bank account, they put the card inside the machine, and the machine connect to the terminal of the bank and of the card issuer, and actually the individual is able to take out money. However, the machine is operated by a person or a company who buy the machine and actually buy his right to use the machine, to be able to connect the machine with the system and making money on it. So when you own an ATM machine, you will be able to collect what they call processing fee. That means the individual will come in your machine to get cash from the account, they will pay you for using your machine because you will connect them to the credit card company, to the bank. So this is a legitimate business. You don't need too many skills. You just need a few little money. The ideal money to start the ATM business machine will be $3,000. Let me break it down for you. You don't have to buy a new fancy ATM machine. You can buy the old one. The oldest one are better to start. Taking notes, because you will need a machine that need electricity, internet, and that's it. You will be able to buy this machine from the ATM company between $1,000 to $1,500, the most new one. When you buy the machine, you can buy or lease, but I will suggest that you buy the machine first. When you buy the machine, you get your machine home, you got access to internet and everything. They will give you the book or to use the machine and everything. Now you walk on your neighborhood to find a place, a store, a deli, any place, a mechanic shop somewhere, that you will talk to the owner to rent the place. Okay, you will pay them monthly to be able to use a little corner that you can place your machine, and you can get access to internet, and you will use the other $1,000 to put money inside the machine. I would suggest that you put $10 bills. So now you set up your machine, call the company, set up the machine, and establish the fee. When somebody use a card on the ATM, they spend at least $5 for the transaction. Between the ATM fee, the processor fee, the bank fee, and all these things pile up to $5. So you will be able to charge them $2.99 minimum, or $3 per transaction. If you got 10 people that use this ATM machine on a daily basis, that will give you $30. And if you multiply $30 per 30 days, you will be able to make $900 fee on your machine. If you make $900, let's say you pay the place $100 per month to place the machine in the store, and you pay $50 for internet and everything, you will end up making $750 for you every single month. If you got one ATM machine, you will have at least minimum $750 every month without doing nothing. When you're sleeping, when you're awake, morning, night, people will use this machine and making money. If you find a good spot that you can have 100 people using your ATM machine per day, you will be able to make $3,000 passive income every single day. So that's why you have to be on my booster motivation to learn these techniques. So I will put on the description below name of different company link where you can find information to start your ATM business machine. And when you start one, you start making money. Don't spend the money and find another one. By 1 year, you will be able to earn 10 ATM machine. Imagine that you got 10 ATM machine that give you $7,500 every month passive income. And 1 year from now, where will you be? What you will be able to accomplish? That's why you have to watch my booster motivation, because we teach you how to become successful. Free training session, you don't have to pay nothing. Okay, this is our contribution to the university, our contribution to people like you who believe that you have potential, you who believe that you have greatness on you. You need to find a way to become successful, to become the best version of you. My name is Ernst Josh, AKEG. That was my pleasure to share this information with you. I will see you on the next video. We will bring more video like that to teach you in a straight way, breaking down from A to Z, or to start a passive income business. You don't have to go to internet. You don't have to create a dropshipping business. There is many ways you can make money without technology. There is many ways you can make money without using a single computer. There is many ways that you can make money offsite, online, and on offline. My name is Joshua KEG. You are on my Booster Motivation, the best YouTube channel in the world that offers free live training session. By the time being, I will finish my coffee. I'll see you on the next video.